Today we are going to see a new topic, that is nutrition and health. What is called nutrition? Nutrition means the way of procurement of food. How do we get food from the external sources is called as nutrition, and health refers to the free from disease. Free from disease means physically, mentally and socially well-being. That is called as, according to WHO, World Health Organization, that is defined as health. Understand? So the basic fundamental energy is referred to us by means of the food. Food is the basic necessity for our energy and life. The food is either we get from plant or animal origin, which gives us provide energy. Understand? So it contains essential nutrients, which is essential for our energy, and also not only for providing energy but also for normal growth and development, and also repairing the worn out the cells. And very important function is we are protected from disease by means of the food that we taken. Understand? Food contamination with microorganisms by so many ways. Food safety is become a major concern these days because of adulteration of food by means of the traders for financial gain. Understand? So it is a major source in India. Understand? Because of the financial gain, the traders adulterated the food in so many ways, which results also side effects, and also we causes a number of diseases. Understand? And also we make a number of adulteration act, but the adulteration is still going on in our country. Understand? So let us study of the classification of the nutrients. What are called nutrients? The way of we taking the food. The food is nothing but carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. Understand? So carbohydrates are composed of the chiefly the carbohydrate, nothing but the sugar. We are called as sugar, chiefly composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The main function of the carbohydrate is gives us energy. Understand? So these are in many forms: glucose, fructose, lactose, starch. Starch is the common carbohydrate, which is a complex food substance. Understand? Then next one is protein. Protein is nothing but the building blocks of the cell, but it gives us growth, especially growth and repairing of the worn out cells. The protein is made up of amino acids. The essential amino acids in our body obtained from the diet. Understand? So the essential amino acids always, as well as the essential fat also, we are obtaining from the diet. So there are three essential amino acids wanted by our body, that is valine, threonine, phenylalanine, leucine, lysine, phenylalanine, threonine, histidine and tryptophan. These are very essential for protein synthesis. That is why we are called as essential amino acids. Then next one is fat. So apart from carbohydrate, the fat gives us more energy when compared to carbohydrate. So it involves the maintain the cell structure and metabolism of the cell. You already seen the essential fatty acids we are getting from only through the diet. Understand? So essential fatty acids occurred in human is nothing but the omega fatty acid is the one of the very important. We are getting from this omega fatty acid from the fishes. Understand? Then vitamin we need only trace amount, very little amount we needed. So these are involved in the physiological role and the biochemical functions. So the vitamins further first isolated by Dr. Funk from the husk of paddy and the உமின்னு சொல்கிறது நெல்லோட உமியிலிருந்து தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு விட்டமின் வந்து ஐசோலேட் பண்ணார் டாக்டர் ஃபங்க். Vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as sunshine vitamin. So the sunshine vitamin, sun rays fall on our skin. The dehydrocholesterol is converted into the vitamin D. So it is very important for the bone strength. Understand? So daily needed dietary sources from major food sources. Daily we need carbohydrate 150 to 200 gram and protein 40 gram, fat 35 gram. The chief dietary sources is refer the book are involved in the physiological role. So physiological role especially in the growth of teeth, bones, tissues, blood cells, etc. The minerals are classified into macronutrients. That much we need more and more. We need meager amount. We are called as micronutrient. The macronutrients are nothing but calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and magnesium. The micronutrients are sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, iodine, and selenium. So these are the nothing but the minerals which we need. Then protein, energy, malnutrition. Malnutrition means deficiency. So a food substance absence in a certain nutrients in a longer period in our diet we are called as malnutrition. Understand? So deficiency of protein leads to two kinds of disease, that is called kwashiorkor and marasmus. The kwashiorkor affects 1 to 15 years and marasmus affects in the infant, குழந்தைகளை affect பண்ணக்கூடியது. Understand? Then we will see the vitamin chart. The vitamins are broadly classified into fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins, the vitamins which are dissolved in fat we are called as fat soluble vitamins. The vitamins which are dissolved in water we are called as water soluble vitamins. This is the vitamin. These are the diseases. Vitamin A, retinal. The disease caused by this is, suppose deficiency leads to xerophthalmia. Vitamin D, calciferol, rickets. E, tocopherol, sterility. Then vitamin K, derivative of quinone. Then failure of clotting of blood. Then B complex. Totally we are called as B complex. Vitamin B1, thiamine. These are water soluble vitamins. Thiamine, beriberi. B2, riboflavin, cheleosis. Vitamin B3, niacin, pellagra. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, dermatitis. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, pernicious anemia, and vitamin C, ascorbic acid, scurvy. The chief sources and the symptoms are, we have referred to the book. And the minerals. Regarding the minerals, the calcium, deficiency of calcium leads to osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means the hole formed in the bone due to calcium deficiency we are called as osteoporosis, which are essential also for the teeth. Sodium, muscular cramp and conduction of nerve impulse. Potassium, it is also muscular fatigue. Suppose deficiency of potassium leads to muscular fatigue and nerve impulse, conduction of nerve impulse. Then iron, anemia, eye to goiter. With this we will see later.